All right. So we with who again?
Cliff.
Say it loud. Cliff. Like that.
Cliff.
That who it is? That's y'all. We here with Cliff. We need to get a little recap of last Friday's bowling meet. So tell us what happened there since you couldn't record it.
I mean, it was your job to record it.
Let's not talk about that. Come on.
So we went, like, we got on the bus, started listening to music and all, getting hyped up, and then we go there just to lose. We played good, lost, but like whenever, like, we had fun, and to be honest, that's all that matters. I wanted to win, but we lost, but we had fun, so that's good.
Okay, so how many strikes did you hit?
3.
How many gutter balls did you hit?
None.
You gonna lie? They got another bowling meet this Friday. You expecting to win that one?
I mean, looking at who we went up against last Friday, I do not know.
Actually, who did y'all go up against last Friday?
I mean, I don't remember like all the teams, but like it was like a competition. It was like, including us, it was 5 teams competing up against each other. I did not think we were gonna get beat that badly.
What place did y'all come in at?
5th.
So do you consider yourself the best of the team?
No. God, no.
Who's the best?
It's either between
Me and me.
no.
Guess what? It's official. Tay is on the bowling team. I'm joining tomorrow. I'm gonna be at that meet Friday. I'm gonna turn up. You know, I'm skinny. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna throw it like a superstar, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get on y'all team. Then I'm gonna be considered the best. So if I ask you this question again, what you gonna say?
That you're not the best.
Go with the script. If I ask you this question again, what you gonna say?
You're not the best.
You're cut. You're done.